Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to extract the data used in a particular visual in Power BI. So for example, you could look at a visual and you might want to see the numbers sitting behind that visual, or you might just want to download the data behind the visual and do some further analysis. And in this video we will learn how to extract the data. So I've got this dashboard open here with me. And what I've done is I've also uploaded this file to GitHub, so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So let's look at this particular tree map, and I'll just put it into focus mode. So it's just showing me the sales by countries. And let's say I could pretty much look at the numbers by clicking on this or setting the data labels, but maybe I want to extract that data and do something with that. So how do I go about doing that? Or maybe this is a fairly easy pie chart, but you might have a fairly active pie chart in the sense that there's a lot of data points there and there are a lot of categories there. And you might just want to take all that information and put it into a table or an Excel sheet. How do you do that? So you go to these three dots here, and then you click on export data. And let me just put this on, and it's a CSV file. So I'll just click save. And what we'll do is, so this file's become available to me and I can open it up in Excel file, or I can open it up as a notepad. So it's just showing me the country name and the sales amount. So let me just open the visual again, and it's the same. It's the country name and the sales amount. So if you wanted to look at the data points behind a certain visual, you could download this, and then here I could build something like a pivot table, or I could do something else. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing, and do give me a shout out if you want me to take up some specific topics. Cheers, bye.